last games here, and today, I'm starting the vlog like early. It's 6:30 right now, but I'm starting early because we're evacuating this morning, and this is gonna be the only video footage of me talking. In today's vlog, I'll put some pictures and some texts so you guys can see it. But anyways, yeah, so I'll see you guys on the road, so you'll see some footage of me driving. So yeah, peace. But before we go, this is just all of our stuff we need. We're still getting a lot of stuff done. This is what we have so far. This, don't question my, he's gonna give it to me to protect during the hurricane. We have a bunch of waters in there. Suitcase, which is like really big. We have all of our stuff in there. So yeah, this is like a really big hurricane. No joking matter. So this time I'll see you on the road. Look at the rainbow! Look at the rainbow! We're only like...
Oh my God, Snapchat!
No, it's not Snapchat. Only a little bit off, so yeah. It's high noon.
Dude.
What? It's high noon. What?